Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Discover with Kim. I am Kim and I'm so excited you're here with me today. In this week's nature vlog, we went on a fun loop hike to Deer Lick Cave. Deer Lick Cave, it's a big rock overhang that makes a cave underneath it, as you will see. This hike was a 4-mile loop from the start of the Deer Lick Cave loop all the way to the cave and then back around. There are several little baby waterfalls along the way. In addition, from the parking lot to the loop was an additional maybe quarter of a mile, so it ended up being about 4.5 miles from start to finish for us. I do want to remark that it's important if you go on this hike that you really follow the signage closely. You have to look for the signs and make sure you're going in the correct direction, otherwise you can very easily get lost or head out on the wrong trail and end up at a completely different destination. So if you do go on this hike and you do look for Deer Lick Cave, make sure that you're following all of the signs very closely and you're paying attention along the way. One other tip I want to let you guys in on is to make sure that you stay on the marked path. There was a lot of poison ivy right off the path, so if you want to avoid getting any poison ivy or anything like that, try hard to stay on the path. Wear pants and boots and all the protective gear that you need to keep yourself safe. This hike was a bit of a up and down hill trek. It was classified as medium to difficult, and I would definitely agree with this classification because there was a lot of up and down that was pretty tiring. That being said, thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so excited to share another nature vlog with you, and check back next Wednesday because they'll keep on coming. With that being said, let's get to the nature, friends.